Good morning, students. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to learn the chapter about India. In this chapter, you will learn about neighboring countries of India. Second one, physical features of India and political division of India. Now, let us see one by one in detail. The first one, neighboring countries of India. Children, do you know in which continent is India located? Yes, it is located in the Asia continent. Asia continent is the largest continent in the world. India is the seventh largest country in the world. Now, let us see the neighboring countries of India. The neighboring countries of India are Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, China, Nepal, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Maldives. Students, now do you know all the neighboring countries of India? Is it clear to you? Now, let's move to the next topic. The next topic is the physical features of India. The landforms and water bodies of India form the physical features of India. India is a beautiful country with various physical features. It can be divided into 6 physical divisions: the Great Northern Mountains, the Northern Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the desert, the coastal plains, and the islands. Now, let us see each of them in detail. Now, the first one we are going to see is the Northern Mountains. Students, look at this picture. The brown portion in the north denotes the Northern Mountains. They are also known as Himalayas. They are covered with snow throughout the year. They have snow-capped peaks. Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. These mountains run from northwest to northeast. These Himalayas protect us from extreme cold winds that blows from Central Asia. Is it clear, students? Now, let us move to the next topic. The next physical feature is the Northern Plains. Plains are flat, vast, low-lying areas. Here, the soil is very fertile because of the rivers flowing through them. Where does this Northern Plains lie? It lies to the south of Northern Mountains. Here, the land is flat and fertile. They have rich fertile soil brought down by the river Ganga, Brahmaputra, and their tributaries. That is why many food crops are grown here. Is it clear to you, students? The remaining physical features we will see in the next session. Thanks for watching, children.